Hey guys, I have 5 perfect, amazing products just for the summer. Number 1, I am in love with the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer Broad Spectrum 30. It is beautiful. It is lightweight. It hydrates the skin. It looks absolutely perfect. I like to put it on with my fingers. You can use a brush, you can use a sponge, but I think it's easiest just with your fingertips. Number 2, the Hoola Bronzer. This Benefit Hoola Bronzer is a perfect compact bronzer. It bronzes up the face beautifully. It just gives you that beautiful, beautiful, perfect sun-kissed glow. While we're at it, we can use it also as an eyeshadow. Just changing brushes. Next up is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Mascara. It is absolutely beautiful. They give you amazing length and amazing volume. This flexible brush, magic, before, after. Next up is the Tower 28. This is Beach Please in Magic Hour. It leaves your skin with this healthy, dewy glow. It's absolutely beautiful. What I do is I just use my finger, tap it on my cheek, and it looks amazing. P.S. It's a dual purpose. Tap, tap, tap. A perfect summer shade. Last but not least, you want to top that off with a little gloss. Yum, this Maybelline Lifter Lip Gloss. I love the one in Iced. It is absolutely beautiful. It gives you a beautiful glossy finish without changing the color of your lips. And there you have it, 5 amazing products perfect for the summertime. If you want more tips and tricks and reviews on these products or any other products, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. Bye.